Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy and hold coin in KuCoin. First, you need to create an account using your email or phone number and set a strong password. Next, complete your identity verification, also known as KYC, to unlock higher trading limits and withdrawal amounts. Finally, enable two-factor authentication for enhanced security, protecting your assets from unauthorized access. Once your account is set up, you'll need to fund it. You can deposit cryptocurrency directly from another wallet or exchange, ensuring you select the correct network. Alternatively, buy crypto using a credit card, debit card, or bank transfer through KuCoin's third-party payment partners. For more flexibility, explore peer-to-peer trading options available on the platform. Now, let's buy some crypto. Go to the spot trading section and select the coin pair you wish to trade, like BTC versus USD. You can place a market order for an instant purchase at the current price, or a limit order to buy when the price reaches your desired level. After buying, transfer your new coins from your trading account to your main account for secure holding. To keep your assets safe, regularly review your account activity and enable all security notifications. For larger holdings, consider transferring your coins to a hardware wallet, which offers superior offline security. Remember to always stay informed about market trends and potential risks. And speaking of smart solutions, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to simplify your life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.